is usually a quiet time in our house. But not always. Good morning.
Morning.
What? Oh, sorry, morning. Where's Matt?
In bed. Why?
He owes me £10.
Oh.
He doesn't start work until 1 today.
Oh, yeah. Okay, see you later.
You need some breakfast. Have a slice of toast.
Good idea. Can I? Thanks.
Hey, it's my toast.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy my breakfast.
Hello?
Matt, it's Jane.
Hello?
Matt? It's Jane.
Hi.
Listen, Matt, I need your help. I can't find my purse and it has my cash card and everything in it. I think it's in the kitchen. Could you look for it?
Okay. Hold on.